Mercury Wire Products Incorporated offers innovative cable assemblies that are specifically designed for your application requirements. We provide you with the most convenient and robust cable assemblies that are custom tailored to fit your specific needs. By designing specific production processes and building equipment that is focused solely on your cable assemblies, we can flexibly and quickly meet your requirements. We adhere to the stringent engineering and acceptance standards required to build reliable cable assemblies. Our custom cable assembly capabilities include injection molding, short-run prototyping, epoxy potting, soldering, crimping, terminations, in-house testing, and validation. We offer mold design support, quality assurance program design, selection of connectors, and fitting. To provide superior quality products, we create customized application testing protocols during product development by establishing a consistent and reliable quality program. Our quality control efforts go far beyond a final inspection. They are built into each step in the manufacturing process to eliminate waste and ensure that we achieve only the highest level of quality. Our business model is designed to enable the creation of tailored capabilities for your custom cable assemblies. Contact us today.